Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Meisya Fadzrin Amali. I am a student of Universitas Majalengka, Faculty of Economics and Business, Management Class F. I will practice about how to make a mayonnaise egg sandwich. The ingredient is 2 boiled egg, 2 pieces boiled egg, 2 pieces of white bread, 2 and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Yes. Okay. First of all, peel the boiled egg and put in a bowl. Okay, mash with a fork. After the egg is crushed, add the mayonnaise. And mix well. Okay, put 1 piece of bread, then take the crushed egg, place it on top of white bread. And a pile of other bread slices. Cut the bread into 2 pieces. And egg sandwich ready to serve. Thank you.